Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a simple holographic projection from any kitchen tools that you have, a glass cup, or in this case I have a bowl, and a black sheet. So first step is to draw this circle. And then we'll try to cut it. We'll give it a little offset to the middle. So as long as it fits inside this ball. Next step is we'll get any stretchy plastic for food. Usually this is used for food. And then we put the circle inside the ball. Make sure it's centered. And then we'll take this stretchy wrap and cut it. Try to make it flat from all sides and press on edges. The next step is to get any round surface and we'll push against this wrap. We're trying to push the air out. You see that there is a concave shape that happens inside the wrap. You see that now it's just like a lens. So I can put my hand inside it. But try not to ruin the surface. So next step is just to project our 3D object. Let's take you to the second shot. Next step is to open any holographic video from YouTube. I found this. It has a very nice shape. We'll start right here. And then we'll turn the light off. You take this phone and you position it against the surface. What you're trying to do is to try to find this and keep tilting to this device until you find this perfect angle where you can see the holographic projection. just to give you an update for the design, after we made this concave, we noticed that the this black sheet was touching the plastic, and it was creating some kind of like bubbles underneath it, so it distorted the display. So what I ended up doing is taping this with the masking tape to the bottom of the ball, so now we have a space between the lens or the shrink wrap and the sheet. So when we look from the top, now we can see those distortions. And the purpose of the black sheet is to prevent the reflection from the bottom of the ball. So since you're projecting from a screen, it might shine a very bright light back to the camera, so you won't see the hologram. So when you put this black sheet, it will absorb the light. And as you can see, it's a very easy project, and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe.